Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from Hong Kong. Something new, something special. Let's check it out. Alright, so first we've got a note. It says, "Dear Hans, thank you very much for your interest in trying our Q-Taste Buddy First Love beef noodles and True Love spicy beef noodles. Inside each box is one bag of noodle together with a foil bag of beef soup. Kindly put the whole foil bag into hot boiling water to reheat for 3 to 5 minutes and to cook the noodle 4 to 6 minutes. And based on the texture that you like, then you can open up the foil bag, add the beef soup in with the noodle and serve. I sincerely hope that you will like our beef noodles and have a great journey to experience once again the first and true love. Sincerely yours, Q-Team." Cool. Well, I love noodles, so let's give them have a look. So first we've got this one, First Love beef noodles. And it's a hefty box. On the back it mentions that it's made in Taiwan, but this is from Little Cave Workshop Limited. I don't know if that's the distributor, but that's kind of a cool name. But yeah, this is for I guess this is for the Hong Kong market is my guess. So wow, super cool. And then we've got True Love spicy beef noodles. I like how the cow's smacking his lips. I don't know. I don't know if they're like really happy about the fact that they're in here, but hey, that's fine with me. I enjoy cow. And again, yeah, Little Cave Workshop Limited. Wow. Yeah, I really like good beef noodle and good spicy noodles. So this sounds good to me and looks like they're pretty easy to prepare, and they look like they're in premium boxes. So I guess what they're saying here is that your first love is pretty darn good, but your true love is extra hot and spicy. So honestly, I would say that's probably correct. The first instant noodles I fell in love with were not spicy, but now I can't think of many varieties that aren't spicy that I'm like if in my spare time, if I'm like actually just going to eat noodles and not review them, they're always spicy. So I guess that's true love for me. Well, thank you to the folks over there in Hong Kong for shooting this over. I will be trying this very soon. And yeah, thank you very much. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.
No. Jesus Christ, dude. It's gonna be crazy. Children! This is insane. You must stop this. You must stop this right now.